In this video, I am going to show you how to get your invoices on Fiverr. Original invoices issued since mid-2021 can now be downloaded from the billing history page. Invoices issued before mid-2021 can be viewed but not downloaded from your individual order page. To view your invoices, filter or search your invoices. Download your invoices individually or select and download multiple invoices selecting the checkbox Download a CSV report or zip or PDF files. Download invoices securely from your billing history page. For Fiverr Pro, only the admin and billing managers of the account have the access to the billing history page. If you are facing any issues, please contact their customer support. You can also get your invoices on your billing info page. Be sure to make the checkbox to automatically receive your invoices via email. If your invoices is not available for download, then contact customer support to make the process more efficient. Please supply your order number and the time frame. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.